Hey you guys, welcome to the channel. This is Nika. I am Nika. And I'm sorry I look really crazy because I'm not doing my hair now or whatever. So I guess we can do that first or whatever. Today I'm doing something pretty simple. I think that's what I'm gonna do, the 2 braids.
Right here I'm using a rat tail comb to separate my hair into 2 separate parts. Once I'm done parting my hair in half, I'm going to get an elastic band and put one side in a ponytail and brush out my baby hairs. Please ignore the fact that my edges look damaged. I'm growing them back as we now speak, and hopefully what I'm using will work. Right here, I'm attempting to do baby hairs. I really suck at baby hairs, but I'm going to keep practicing and trying to do them until I get it. Now I got the baby hairs looking just like I want them. I will go in braiding that side that I've done my baby hairs on. Right here, I'm basically dipping my hand in some hair gel. I will be doing that all the way until I get to the end of that braid. Right here, I'm basically wrapping my hair up to try to keep that baby hairs in place while I do my makeup. When filling in or shaping my eyebrows, I go in my natural eyeline shape. I try not to go overboard and do too much. I like the way that my natural eyebrows are shaped, so I just use it as a guide. Now I'm going to go in with some eyeshadow base, and I'm going to bring it all the way down to my lid. I use it to also clean up around my eyebrows as well. You may use concealer, but I like to use eyeshadow base.
I already did the bottom part of my my waterline or whatever with a shimmer blue.
Right here, I'm just blending in that black eyeshadow. I'm going to do the same thing on both eyes. As you can see, I like to do my eyeshadows. Anytime I do my makeup, I like to do my eyeshadow first, because just in case I have any fallout, I can easily clean it up without removing any foundation away. And now I'm finna go in with some duo lash glue on my lash line. And I'm also going to put some duo lash glue on the band of the false lashes as well. Now I'm going to moisturize my face. Putting on my false lashes while I'm waiting on my moisturizer to dry down. Now I'm going in with some face primer. I was running low on this particular foundation, and so I decided to use a small flat brush so I can be able to put the foundation all over my face and go easily around my eyebrows to get rid of that halo effect. Right here, I'm going in with a large powder brush, and I'm just buffing and blending that foundation on out. Everything that I'm using in this video will be in the description box. Going in with my eyeshadow base again. I'm using it as concealer. So I'm going to put it in all the spots that I would normally use my concealer in. Right here, I'm going in with a darker concealer to try to contour. Now I'm going in with a triangular powder puff. I've wet it with my setting spray, and what I'm basically doing is blending out all of the eyeshadow base out. Using that same dark concealer to contour my nose, and I'm going to use a small angle brush to buff everything out. I use a large angle brush to buff everything out around my face. Now going in with my setting powder. Now going in with some blush on the higher points of my cheekbones. Using mascara on my bottom lashes. I already used them to my top before I put my lashes on. Dusting away all the setting powder that I have on my face. Now I'm going in with some highlight. Right here, I'm just going in with a nude lip. I use a brown liner for my outer lips, and then my inner lips, I'm going in with a pink shimmery gloss.
This is the look. She's officially been blessed by Nika, and I did it with affordable makeup. Like, this channel is for affordable makeup. And I want to thank you for coming to the channel. Thank you for watching. For those who are subscribed, thank you for subscribing. And for those who are not, thank you for watching or whatever and coming anyway or whatever. This is it. This is the look. This is something that was pretty simple or whatever. I just want to thank you guys so much. And if you want to see me, put a link in the description box that you guys know my other social medias and where you can follow me at. And I adore you guys, and I hope you adore me. And I will definitely see you guys on the next video, and I will be putting everything that I use in the description box, from my hair all the way down to my face. So again, thank you guys so much. See you guys. Bye.